heat, magnetism, gravity, and all the energies of the universe. The prolonged barrage engulfed 01 in the glow of 1,000 suns. But unlike their former masters with their delicate flesh, the machines had little to fear of the bomb's radiation and heat. Thus did 01's troops advance outwards in every direction. And one after another, mankind surrendered its territories. So the leaders of men conceived of their most desperate strategy yet, a final solution.
Our confidence is high that Dark Storm
The destruction of the sky.
Hotel Bravo, this is Papa 1. Operation Dark Storm initiated.
Would man try to cut the machines off from the sun, their main energy source. May there be mercy on man and machine for their sins.